Hello everyone, this is CPA Nirob. I hope you are doing all great. If you are planning to build a career in CPA and affiliate marketing but don't have any account yet, then this video is especially for you. If you are completely new to CPA marketing, this beginner-friendly guide will help you understand the basics. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your account easily and learn which offers you should start working with. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. Okay, then I'd like to share a quick disclaimer. Here is the disclaimer. All videos and information shared on this channel are created solely for educational and informational purposes. Every method, CPA marketing strategy, and freelancing guideline presented here is based on our personal experience and research. Success in freelancing and online income depends entirely on your own effort, skills, and patience. This channel doesn't guarantee that clicking any link will make you rich or help you become successful overnight. Before making any business or financial decision, please do your own research and exercise your own judgment. The channel owner will not be responsible for any financial profit or loss resulting from the use of information shared on this channel. Okay, hope you guys understand that. And this is our official Telegram channel, where you'll find important updates and resources. You can find all updates here. Okay, now let's get started. This is our AdBlueMedia account. AdBlueMedia account is one of the best CPA marketing platforms available today. If you still don't know about this platform or haven't created any account yet, I believe you're missing a great opportunity, so don't wait any longer. You'll find the AdBlueMedia sign up link in the description box of this video. Make sure to use our referral link because it gives you the highest chance of getting approval. And this is our AdBlueMedia account. You can see all here. Okay, now let me explain what you need to create your account. Here is the register page. Okay, even if your previous account was declined, you can still create a new account using the same device without any issues, no matter which country you are applying from. Users from all countries can now get approval. You don't need to do anything complicated. The account creation process is very simple. Okay, now let's begin. For your first name and last name, always use the same name that appears on your national ID card, driving license, or your passport. Otherwise, you may face payment verification issues later. So you have to give your first name and last name according to your NID card or driving license or passport. Okay. Then you have to give your username. You can give your username here, then your password, then re-enter your password Then email address. Okay, for your email address, it's recommended to create an email that matches your first name and last name. Using matching email address increases your chances of getting approval. So you have to see that. Now you have to select your country, that where you are living now. Then you have to give street address and make sure that you can use any commas or any dashes, just letters. Then you have to give state, then your city, then your postal code, then where did you hear about us. This four part is very important for approval. Okay, you can give Telegram, you can give LinkedIn, then website, you can give any US based group link here, then promotional method. Okay, you can find 2000 promotional method in our official Telegram channel. Here are 2000 promotional method you can use here. You can use that. For the promotional method, you'll find 2000 promotional method in our Telegram channel. Simply choose the one you want to use. You can use this like this. You have to select only this. You can select this. You have to select only this. Then make sure that you have to copy this. Then you have to paste here and make sure that this will not be exist here. You have to remove this. Like this. Okay. Promotional method section is most important part of the application. If you fill it out correctly, your approval chances become much higher. So you can understand that, hopefully. For current networks, simply enter Affmine. You don't need to enter any other. Okay, so then you have to select this, that you are not a robot. Then you have to select all of this. Then simply click on register an account. Okay, then your account is ready. AdBlueMedia is one of the best CPA marketplace in the world. There are many CPA networks available, but AdBlueMedia stands out because of its quality, offers, and reliable payments. The referral link is available in both the video description, and you can find that in the first comment. Be sure to create your account using our referral link. If everything is filled out correctly, you'll be approved easily and receive your payments without any issues. AdBlueMedia offers weekly payments, making it a great choice for CPA marketers. Okay, if you find this video useful, then please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our future tutorials about CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections below. I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching.